the money.
Look at small
Each
coming to
up on people, look at sponsor them and beg out like what. Sometimes you even want ball out certain things in nice space.
Look at small coming to slaughter him off on TV, yeah, that him no want lose. Sometimes start showing my orange underwear. Moving blood, go ahead. Waste man, oral Tracy. Big waste.
Oral Tracy about him, what be free feeling?
Straight. Father Rusty.
Huh?
It's a straight Father Rusty. Straight.
Every minute they come out, I take set for Andrew Olin, so we're going to try to find a way to make some money. Well, I money them when I make out an advertisement, we're going to find a way to invest them and make it do something for you.
All of them are blood clot, gang up and a pack up and a if they don't call Andrew, they're not relevant, you know. You know, so that's why the people that for Andrew name, so. Them can't get no views or not if they don't call Andrew name, you know. Dog shit them. Because they don't have no reason. No, what I say, if they don't call them, they don't get no views and them sitting because them work for WhatsApp and likes and them sitting there. If I call Andrew name.
But the one of those news media run by PNP, right?
Yeah, the mainstream.
Yep.
RJ Group and Glean, the one of them are PNP germs.
Glean and I put out something the other day, one clip in, said they're not parties in our favor, something like that.
Wouldn't get tricked with that fool.
But them can't really trick nobody anyhow. They're not really necessary. It's just like the IC, you know. It's just like the IC, you know. Because I don't really know where nobody thinking about. But for me, you know, the IC, even for Michael Phillips, the thing where them put out, I don't believe in it one bit, you know.
No, listen to the flowers, you see that?
I don't believe in it.
Well, I know it come out, but we say that it's just a smoke screen, you know.
It's a smoke screen, exactly. So nobody not run with it. It's just a smoke screen to make the IC look like them fear and them do them work.
Focus off of them. They don't want to focus off of them.
Yes. So I don't believe in it.
No, I have to go with that, man.
I don't believe in it when them come about Michael Phillips, this, that. It's just something them are trying to make it look like they're doing their job. They're not doing nothing.
One of my IC, it was come like some burnout IC in a transmitter radio or TV. The technician used to go fix on IC. I must the IC, them are IC there. Well, I was going out on radio or TV. Technician, everything is that everything up to your radio IC. Them blood now, keep them.
I don't believe it. I'm not even look at them, man. They don't even look at them. I don't even say.
Alpantan. Hey, we can't diss him. They are all going to go. If someone's a stinking PFP cannot diss the Prime Minister, who's Pantan for we this? Go, man.
Both.
Eh?
But the Prime Minister did, the Prime Minister endorsed him in 2000.
Me know the Parliament is the highest court of the land. Let me ask the flowers. Me know the Parliament is the highest court of the land.
Yeah.
And you can go like the Parliament can't talk to you.
The Parliament can't tell you what to do. And now we pay you. How it go?
What?
And the Parliament, who pay you? How it go?
Eh? Your brother bright self.
How it go? Who pay them salary? How it go?
Oh, Tada. The Parliament is the highest court and I can listen to the laws they make to the land. But you know,
and you're going to come talk about in your opinion.
You can show them a whole judge if he's a fit normal circuit court and the real court.
Yes, and because
the Parliament and the real court.
Them have Mark Golden and Peter Bunting and all of the PMP top ranks them wrap up in their pocket.
Remember, a couple months ago, you know. The RGR on TV, they keep an award, you know, with some business people and some people in there give the award, you know, CM Pantan, you know, PMP thing, you know. And then when some other people were when shouldn't get that blood clot there, printing. Then so TV, the one I'm taking for God. Like I'm a roll down, that's why I'm going to suck the woman. If you're dead, they're going to dig up the whole bone them. You're sucking woman, go away. Then bright say, out and disrespectful, like. Welcome disrespect. And the whole Jamaica am this, you know. You just volunteer and the whole Jamaica am disrespect.
The whole Jamaica am disrespect. But they don't see that way there.
And next one I go like my bullet. One in the Greg Christie.
Greg Christie.
pussy all that too.
Them
Never
no
like
see them.
when my contractor general, me never like that man there. When my contractor general for IC come in and never like him. He can use a lot of
But I
headline
don't know why
and
Andrews are received
sensationalism.
and put him back on the committee.
Remember them time
Me
there?
not
Everything you have headline and
understand.
sensationalism and not never come out and case them yet. Not never come out and case them yet.
Hold on.
When my contractor general, not never used to come out and case them, just run on headline and sensationalism.
Eh?
All idiot, don't cook. So never like in front of my contractor general, all idiot that. After run on headline and sensationalism and not come out and case them. But Chris, they are idiot for a long time. Come on, don't job back for more than I see. I'm about my game director work. If you go, them Chris, they are big idiot for a long time. And I rate them on there. And Panther will move up in ball blood class and they should take him out of the retirement. If you go, disrespect Jamaica.
As a high court judge, going at the parliament with mockery and gimmickry. I'm going to talk about him now drink no water there because he look like something at the water. Because everybody in the parliament are liar.
Very disrespectful. Out of order.
Because so disrespectful.
Yeah, man, out of order. I'm gone too far now. If you go, man, I'm going like my God, I'm going to roll thunder boy. Through PMP, them worship him. If you go, PMP all germs them.
Of course, Makala. I see just a waste taxpayers' money. Right beside there.
Father also them. I see that radio and TV. Move them blood clot. I eat that. I see them.
Lack of integrity commission.
Blood clot.
Last year, I tell them say Gregory stay a fucker, you know. And them prove it now.
They tell you that for a long time. That man, if I'm a contractor general, that man, they are idiot. I don't rate him. Big idiot that. Sensationalism, I run on headline and not never quote and case them. Not never quote and case them yet. All idiot from a contractor general. I'm not ready. Go away. I get taxpayer one bag of how much money them I get from taxpayer. To do nothing. And for come target the prime minister. And I play politics. Them stink like shit. Them for go away.
4,000 soldiers and a 250-man team of clubs and reinforced. Tens of thousands of rounds fired.
Yeah, petal. What petal? What? That work?
7 dogs.
Yeah, petal.
Thomas, what you want me for? Thomas, you must drink more beer than
check up. Me check up on you now. To me not hear man.
You know who me I talk to?
Okay, I want to go.
Plank.
I want to go. So Johnny Sinclair.
I call my friend, make him hear you say in the pan
I
TikTok.
want to go. Johnny Sinclair. I don't remember Johnny Sinclair.
A plank you talk to. It's alright. It's alright, petal.
You hear who the on the phone?
Me don't know me not hear nothing. Oh, me don't hear nothing.
You remember one song where Junior Reid did sing, say?
You not hear who I talk to you?
Well, I don't know. You remember one song where Junior Reid did sing in the 80s, say? If you have a problem in your love life affair, tell it to Janet Sinclair. Remember that song?
Yeah.
Are you on Peter now?
Thomas, you not hear who the on the phone?
What can go for?
Tell me how I can't pick up how that, Peter.
Rusty, you not pick up a who?
I'm not sure. I never listen.
Talk again.
You know how cool man. How that, Janet?
Azifani.
All right, Janet, tell me.
No.
So like Zivani.
Thomas, you not hear who? I say,
Oh,
you
Munchieb.
fall in love with somebody at the door.
Oh, Munchieb. The car up, I'm Munchieb, man.
Hey, Munchieb. Come here, Munchieb. We have some more telephone with you, Munchieb. Come here.
One over Rusty live. Because they're not here good on the phone. One over Rusty live.
We have some more telephone with you, Munchieb. Come here.
Say something to telephone with you. One over Rusty live. Here come.
Alright, Peter. Let's pick up a Munchieb now. Let's pick up.
Yeah. Not to finish this.
What's she doing? She not come on yet.
Have I see ever prove any case against anybody? Not that I know of. I'm going to them creep out of their arm with the boy named Vaz, doing Vaz. But that was just a smoke screen to make it look like them a do something. And
if them not know off it, if them a thief and not know off it dodge at this stage, God go with them.
but you know, they need to go for this boy when he the boy when he and fish scales.
Mm-hmm.
They
But
need
you
to
know
go
me, you know me, I
boy
wonder.
to them a do something now. Go for Mark Golding and fish scales.
You know me, I wonder though. You remember when them grab? You remember when them grab my boy the brother out at airport? Remember?
I think brother them and grab again.
You know remember when the rotten Floxy nasty mango did come on and
Oh,
say, which MP? Yes, I want MP. Last name a Chin. Them all and pan him brother out at him and brother that get busted out.
yeah. Me remember that
Oh,
something there.
Petal, I want to rat the mango. To disappear off your face of the earth.
Get Jamoti.
The sugar school.
She must there one fireplace at work.
Yeah, man. Get rid of one of them, man.
She there one
Listen,
fireplace at
anywhere
work.
she there
So she
where
said.
her phone did it. I rat the mango rat now. Out of season.
The sugar school. But look here. Rotten mango kill up herself and beat her chest and war with people every day over politics. And you want to tell me, say, that even want, they not rate Rotten mango, that even want count the seat, they never make Rotten mango yet run for? So
Get run for what?
Rat mango PNP mattress, man. Yeah, work that.
Rotten mango just pack it in and say, you know what, make I go further my education.
Hear that? Hear that, Petal?
Yeah.
Rat mango was PNP mattress. That is our work.
That's our purpose.
Position that.
Not even our teeth, not even, you're right, Munchie, not even our teeth, them down the fix. She have one spoiled teeth in her front of her mouth. Munchie come up in a rusty box.
From all that trumpet below and anything would have rat in a fair mouth. From all those sandwiches I see her eating and those trumpets blowing.
Good morning, munchieb. Good evening.
I'm on
Munchieb.
where I'm at. I'm 9 o'clock now.
Yeah.
Good night, Rusty. Good night, Chromas.
Good night.
Chromas.
Good night.
Yeah,
Good night,
munchieb.
everybody. Chromas.
Yeah, yes, munchieb, I hear you.
Oh, you allow yourself to fall in love with a woman that you have never met before. You have never seen before. You have pitched her. And what could have caused that? Explain to the chat.
Boy, just show the reason and advice, boy. Catch my boy.
Jesus, be sorry for your fault. Rusty, you know something, Rusty? The man completely allow himself to fall in love with Petal.
What Munchie? What you say about me? I've never seen you before in a real life, but me can tell you, say,
You
Yeah.
have to who?
yes.
We have to have.
Yo, Munchie.
But at least, Rusty, you know, say me married.
But I mean, Munchie.
Yeah, but me married.
Man.
But
You're
Petal
not doing enough
single.
with Munchie. Munchie, I move like PNP.
We're going to one part in a Munchie. Go look for some of you, and I tell you, poor woman, that job.
I know, so me a Christian woman though.
Yeah, man.
Munchie, I move like PNP. I make promises and now come true.
Munchie have some picture of them and make chat like fire, brother. You understand that competition? That.
Me dey plan the choir man, me a Christian woman.
You don't know Chromas.
Eh?
Munchie, I move like PNP. I make promises and now come true.
What the promising? Oh, YouTube.
Yo, me buy all me new clothes to go to Canada already in a Chromas.
But for a joke aside in a Munchie, I tell you, you give it to them blood. When I disappear, when you start freaking with Jesus Christ, I want this now.
Yeah, whenever the PNP then come take me away. So they hate me.
Give it to them, you know.
And they hate me like pies, you know. Guys,
Get you more than get me.
Rusty, my brother tell me today say, he might listen to Oral Tracy And your oral Tracy, I say one labor right girl in a green shirt, rub him out and cuss him up. But you don't call me name. Oh, if you don't call me name, Rusty, you supposed to call me name.
But Munchie.
Oh, me I'll get the buzz if you don't call me name.
But Munchie.
Yes.
Munchie, you know easy, you know. Munchie drop all Ed Bartlett in a Rusty. And Bartlett gets his.
But flowers.
A true man, I see it. A true man. A true man, huh? Hear me, yeah, man, Munchie, if you get it too, man. Yes, man, huh? If you get a little like, I make it reach so far too, you know. A long time if you get a little bit, you know.
When time important that they face this, they must smile up in face too.
Yes, when the man a disrespect, they must smile.
Yeah. And they're right, okay, that smile up half in face too. They don't supposed to laugh.
Chairman, I know you're a patient man in a chairman. You went to Rossi, you know, to exercise patience. The man not even look when Bartlett said that. Look here, man.
But you know, say from the first time, you see, from the first time, even when Warmington did first start talk about it, and Bartlett did shut it down too with the IC them, and from there said get out of hand too, you know.
Of course.
If him did make Warmington rub them out a long time, it wouldn't reach this far.
Wow.
Too bad Bartlett too quiet, man. No?
Really, brothers have fever. Nice. Calm down things. You can't get got out of a fever. That's still.
I think why the man them operate so, you know, because how Andrew operates, you know.
Yeah.
If you notice in the day when the pastor dropped them, I you know so me kind of realize that all of them around Andrew kind of fear him. And the first me said that side of him there, you know. He get serious and hard and Mr. Chang say, go and look and see what is happening. I just sit down, sir. And Chang have to jump up. And Chang a big man for him, you know what that show you?
And well, he better come off of the choir, you know, Rusty.
Listen now, that is true. You say that man is commanding some respect where it's a force to reckon with. He's commanding respect. Right? Because when you say that was almost on the borderline with rude because to him harder, Mr. Chang.
You know me never see though. But me hear about it.
Yeah, man, I see the picture, man, the video. Like him say, get up, man, ignorant, you know? Yeah. Why am I still sitting, huh? That kind of that gesture, them munchie, that kind of ungesture of their body language. Like, man, say, why am I still sitting? Get up, go look what is happening.
True.
Let's see.
And the body language that I got, you see? Based on that, one time when I see him look that way there. It's like you can see says a man where the no nonsense type of smart him just not do a whole heap of talking. That me get from it. So most time when you see certain things not happen, don't bother feel like say. And I like him not hear him not see him soft. Him just practicing proper decorum. Right? Him not come out with the other side of him. Yeah? He might come out with the side of him where the public is expecting to see. The quorum see. Yeah?
He not come out of character.
No, but I feel like you can bend him out of shape because focus. Yeah. You can see it. You know, see how much things are going on.
Listen, no soap opera now going over Rusty life, you know. Alright.
You see, you just calm.
What kind of soap opera?
Come on.
Now you're good, now freeze up.
Munchie echo. Munchie feedback.
So, Munchie, how you look going into next year?
Me I echo bad, but guys.
How you look from the side going into next year?
Medellin cartel wasn't just one big gang.
Like she pause, like she got jump out and Joe. She do feel she fix something because she get an echo.
Oh. More, arrange on day for me have a aspiring member of parliament who more bring on live one of them day, you know.
This is what was inside. Fucking sorry.
More do a one-on-one with him, you know.
Naturally, they got the shorty. Why you thought Judy would be okay? Well, she wasn't. And alongside her brother Jaime, the head of security, Diego Marulo, aka Don. They broke away from
Yeah, man. I'm on you that. I'm on you. Sex. She might be coming back.
Yeah, that's it.
and that's for the
Now you hear me now?
Yeah, man, clear.
You made an echo a while ago. What you say about for the? What you say, Rusty? How we look for next year?
How does it look? Because me notice that in the arena it full up of people when you were outside, it empty. Not like what we had. Like the entire arena, stadium, pool.
You talking PNP?
Mountain View Avenue Drive, Mountain Avenue did full. The whole place did full. Right? So, yes, but when I say with the PNP for them conferences, just the arena did full. So how you think, how you look for we going into the conference?
I think once we MP, then go back on the ground and make it up back with the Labour right when we're done with them. Because Labour right done enough of them, you know. Because enough of them missing in action. Once then go back on the ground and make it back up with them Labour right, then we should be fine. Because PNP already peak, you know, that is it. Then again at one more vote. That is it for them. Then peak. So our time now, and you Darrell Vass tell the Prime Minister, what they think here, Rusty? The Prime Minister, Darrell Vass tell himself to put on in shoes and come on.
Why Darrell Vass? I'm ready to go out there right now.
Yes. We need, the Prime Minister need to hurry up and just cut all the ribbon when man cut on that the iron cross the T and put on in green shirt and make we hit the road.
Green clocks, me hear him say.
Yeah. Because we can't afford to make Mark Jefferson Golden winning up in our state.
30, like out of it 30,000 clocks, green clocks.
Yeah.
That sound like something up. 30,000 clocks, I want to clocks, you know.
Every Labour right just need to pull up their socks and come on board. And whoever said they upset with the MP, they need to break up their folly grounds.
That confusion, friends, that they kept in September, next month we're going to show them our conference is done.
Yes.
Right.
Yes. Don't Romans.
Let them run off them out.
Yeah, where's the munchieb?
Next month you're going to see Petala conference, don't it?
Yeah, hopefully.
We want to take the camera out and video with that first reaction.
No, yes, oh God, but you don't have our number.
It's like how the peanut them put up.
Easy, you know, munchieb.
It's like how peanut put light in the eye and the stranger them put light in the backside.
Yeah.
And someone the Labour right woman them with on the live them come out that we can find them.
Yes, but tell at all.
Why Rusty? I want to know you can text it Pando, you say a conference and I went in there, you know, Philippine, you know.
Oh, you know Philippine look Roman?
No.
Oh, you don't know our conference.
Rusty
No, Rusty, no, Mr. Rusty, I don't know her, man.
Oh, Rusty Noir. Rusty don't show nobody Philippine. But they find her themselves.
Oh, me now.
Rusty.
You couldn't go find her and go show nobody.
So you exactly.
Yeah, but
Rusty not show them nothing.
Yeah, but you Rusty talk like her, yes, Rusty said, when Rusty G.R. she talk in Philippine, come and say, talk like her, Rusty.
Can I first cup of tea, man?
Yes.
Munchieb, the Canadian nobody want the show, man.
Hello.
Of course, but you know, never add up.
Look here.
What you mean, add up?
You know?
Who not single?
Look here.
How we are talking about? Who not single?
You not coming on my inbox and text me and send me a photograph and send me a resume.
You know, say you don't know how we are talking about.
Somebody top up the screen, then mic open. What do that? Or something make one sound.
I don't know.
Munchieb, you don't know how we are talking.
Me don't know
Hello.
who me I talk to. Remind me there.
Hello.
Liar! That ring a bell?
No.
DJ Potter, man.
Me not met DJ Potter. Me don't remember what go on no cause me see Plank come. A long time
You
me not
must
see
see the
Plank.
jump. It's alright, never mind. You must see the jump tonight. Alright.
That's so me memory gone, man. Me memory gone because me talk to so much people.
Oh,
Well,
Plank them. Plank
let me
must
tell you
have work.
something.
Oh, Plank not over here.
Let me tell you something. You see, when you hear one girl near Ren's girl and Munchie and Lexi and one name
Lashika.
Lashika. You see, when you hear them woman their voice on the phone, you're in your mind sometimes. Or yeah, that a girl sexy. You see it twice a year and you know something sexy.
You see him rusty? I'll if it took caution. Caution say know where you live.
I should have a go, man. I should have a bad boy. Everybody file and put up man picture. So king mother, man.
Any boy will make man feel them up and keep it a secret. No, can't find it. Me have it for you, so you know. Jay saying he might be fucking on a act and say. Then suppose the baby mother find out now, how it go. I'm cautious. No man, everything good, man. Me have it for you.
Chuck say my inbox is clean.
Why? I have never been penetrated, so I don't know what these guys talking about.
Jesus God.
But me say, Munchie,
You labor right people, no leave the PNP alone. You no
Munchie.
labor right, you no leave the PNP them
I who
alone.
brought the PNP man up on the live?
You no leave the PNP them alone.
Munchie.
But you hear this one, yeah. So
Leave the PNP them alone. We not comment, we no leave we alone.
So
Leave
let me
the
ask you a
PNP them
question.
alone.
So let me ask you a question, Mark.
Our
Are you
caution
alone,
do know every
Mustafa?
client, you know have on name pa, you know have caution name pa on the live, I deal with the
So
man.
how Mark reach over the part, yeah? So how Mark left him live and reach over here, so.
Mark, I would alone must talk, Mark.
Hear me, I hear you, man.
I would alone must talk.
Look here, you see next time you come over here, you put something over your mouth because it really stinks.
Mark, listen to me, Mark. Yeah, man. Hold on there. Mark, listen to me. You see me? Me not go pan PMP live. Go talk, you hear me? Catch you come over here pan Labor live all the while.
Look here, don't worry
But Mark alone must talk when Mark the pan in
But
live.
Krobas, you have to explain. When Mark the pan in live, Mark not chatting while we Mark not have Andrew
When the
picture and
bleach out
Juliet and
face
everybody over there.
when the bleach
A whole
out
day
face of the boy
today,
the pan in live. You know,
Whole
drop
day
sketch.
today. In the pan live. So when
Rusty.
Thank you.
Hold on there.
so be there every year.
Listen to man. When the man. Catch you a man, man. I can't defend him, man. Catch you a fuck him.
Guys, listen to that one here. Listen to that girl that try clean up Dre Bryan today. Listen to this.
You can in turn report these images and these videos. There are images and videos of you that are attached to things that are not of you. So you need to report them. Okay, so if you need assistance in reporting these things, reach out to some of your people and have them assist. Report, remove. Yeah.
Got it.
You don't speak on it.
So Imano fish again. Here's videos of images that are not of him. So
Oh, the twin brother. Him have a twin brother, and I him. Okay, I'm going to be play.
Yeah, be sure to talk about some straight video where she see.
the one in the current office.
First of all, Dre Bryan is not embarrassed that he is gay. Always I say it. He come out publicly as a gay. So what is she saying?
Because what happened? Them beat Andrew for the last so much months. Both say he might try bringing this and that in a school.
Oh.
You see, all the man in here elder. Me say all him have to go confess before he go 6'6" because I one day me hear him. Oh my God! I have my grandchildren. And you want hear me yesterday and normalize it. I say One guidance counselor just left off my veranda and he was telling me have him on tape, you know. He was telling me that that's what they're teaching the boys in school and them a normalize it. Meanwhile, then coach Andrew say Andrew I try to bring this
Hey,
thing and then you have
hey,
Jay
let
Brian
me hear ya. Let me hear ya. Let me hear ya.
Open the box and blocked me from my platform. That was where the first, any thing that comment and say, I'm a fool, me a disrespect him and a style him, it all started from the moment you call the bishop style, you have to come to say, but then you apologize to the woman, and you first started, and then I really hear, because as of tonight, the whole hour will go away from the platform. You show the cash and you pull up on them. I'm just one idiot. We just comment up there some that you know shot shade him. The whole of Uno go get black time tonight. You Richard, the whole of Uno. You don't want to have nothing to do with Uno. PNP and go PNP. But don't be Uno. Leave me alone and build the program, build the platform. Leave me alone. I shall comment live and he said me and there's a culture platform. Not talk.
I Jay that I cause over caution backside, you know.
Here wicked, here the wicked elder now. Here elder.
Right now. What? I have a guidance contract just come out from my brain. And the guidance contract. You apologize to the woman that you first started and avoid from the platform. You just comment, there's some black time tonight. You Richard, the whole of Uno. Me no not talk, me no support it, me no be put at the same time. Me no support them number, and because I was stupid and foolish, I sent them your number because you think I'm talking about the PNP, and I never know that I scam them and I solicit money from them. Leave me alone. We have broken the number. And you is a red, we have to be friends. Leave me alone. I have nothing to do with you, brother. And them dark down. I'm a grandfather, I think I can truly bless from you.
Yeah.
Boy, you hear the nastiness? Then they can't tell people if you call their name. Them they can't call anybody name.
No,
And them
you don't want them. And them alone must talk.
Them did a feel up them one down that quiet and nobody know. If pass and they go and would know. All of them are fish.
Then I talk about Anjo next time. Come on,
Come from the channel a little while, come and tell me about caution. Caution of your baby mother, boy.
Tell you one, germs them.
Caution, baby mother.
Every God Almighty day when you pass Mark Live is Anjo, Juliet. Up to this morning, him a call, say Anjo and Juliet him come out. All I labor right them, if ever have them picture up. And at them him come out. So why Mark coming over here to talk about?
Somebody call me, tell me, say caution.
The flowers.
Yeah.
I treat you the back boy have up a picture for what they chat me, you know, my YouTubers and the whole of them 3 days straight. So they put up a picture. Over there. And like the boy go find out my right now and go on my Facebook page and take off one picture of me up on it. And put up my face over there. He must have put up my picture of my body, man.
Today, read it upon, they make one clip in Angel. Just want something that circulate with Angel. She must see that have a conversation, I mean I know. And like she say, labor rights, must run East Portland dry. Something with the labor right them do with East Portland. I don't know if it's splice it or what, but is her voice so them have it around that. So?
Splice that, man. Something take out that can't splice. That never do, man. Yeah, that never do. That never do Vegas video too. Yeah.
Where you go away? You see you can't munchieb and petal over here.
Me know say that's where you come over here.
Then the girls, man, are the right thing, which is right.
And that's where you come over here because hands fall fat.
No fat no over here, so for me fella. Go ahead.
That's where you come over here because me have space since night, you know.
So what? Did I like munchieb and petal again?
Oh, yeah, baby, love.
Did I like munchieb and petal again?
Make Rusty tell you what go on today. Me dey on the live and one girlfriend in my community. Come on the live, come. Yo.
She forward on the live, you never see her come.
No. I want to get Rusty. Me get her number in a man and I call her in a man. And when me done, give it to her in a brother.
You reach too far that story, Plank.
Don't you thinking girl live in a people rent house?
Oh God, somehow
what girl for your community company life to you and what happened?
Call out the whole of my name.
And what again?
They shall report the man to him family them and the rest of the
Tell me what. They shall tell me about that.
So how she catch your voice, Plank?
But she remember, I'm a real face that up there. I'm a real face that. And she know everybody call me Plank in my community.
Oh, so she can load you up today. Is a PNP girl or she no vote?
Yeah. Cut off one of my foot. When me done with him, look a while, man. He tell me, boy, I go carry advice me when they go show my mother. I say, go on, because my mother can't beat me. Dirty thinking, drunk rock.
Is a PNP girl?
Yeah, man. Work.
You come up with the junk right because you're not been a junker together and we never know.
Listen to me, I don't know her. Because I left come foreign a long time and she go into the community go live. So I see she see me when me come down. But me don't know her.
So I don't like if I get no US now, not that she have you.
Munchieb, me not believe him, me not. Plank, you not do no little junkering when you did good on.
No, I don't mind take clapfish now. 2 hours.
She never look, she not meet the standard. But Plank, maybe she did want you.
Want who?
You.
Me have 4
you
more
never can tell Plank. She did want you don't know. You just never look.
Me have 4 more brothers. No, this is the thing. When I go to Jamaica, I always have one handbag. So they can't look me.
Eh?
Travel with handbag or roll on Blanc.
Yes. I know that alone. Sticking plaster. Because I have female woman a sticking plaster.
Kromas.
Yeah, me I hear. This is another chance. This is another chance as I do.
Kromas, if you want to know when a ant's belly just mash them,
Oh,
Jesus.
Everything just feeling good so while ago. So you know another chance.
Yeah, man. Look how the phone come home to roost.
Hey, Charlie boy, tapping nice. Tapping nice.
No matter where you want to say, you know, no matter
The
where you want
romance,
to
look how the phone come home to roost.
You just really good so while ago. Another chance over here.
Listen to me, man.
Me know.
Me a big man, you know. Me can't say anything.
Nobody like the PNP then say anything.
So Plank, I don't see you in 2 nights. No, 2 days, no more ask you a very important question.
Then you know see me last night, baby. You know see me
You never
text
come
last
up on the
night.
platform for me get to ask. So I have to ask you now, coming and catch you tonight. And what happened between you and Classic?
Classic. All right. What go on now is like them say people can't open bank account with without money. Right? So me I tell them say when me go Jamaica that not happen. Because when me go in at the bank, the minimum you have to put on in your account to open the account is $5,000. So them I say you don't need money to do that. So me I say man. But me I say at that happen when me did that Jamaica one day. So them I tell me say it no go for everybody.
Right. Poor people have to have money for open account.
Poor people have to have money for open account.
A top and Harris people like Mark Golding and Peter Bunting and then rich people there. And them alone.
Account just ready, just in a June. And I never have a dollar online the youth do it. We never have a dollar.
Which bank?
We are talking about NCB Bank. So
me never know say you can't open account without money.
Yeah, man, right online the youth sit down right now office and do it.
Right where?
In the JN bank, right round the desk in the bank.
Oh, you know, say me have a JN account and me not even go to JN in a years. Me don't know any need. Me say thief up all of them money there already. But your NCB and Scotia, me know if you have fact.
NCB me a talk about. So, classic I got jump up because me never depend on platform, me did that in the text. So I must say, you have one PNP boy in a chat named Plank. So me jump up on the inbox and me I say, man, what kind of style me? So my girl did I tell him, say, no, I'm not a PNP. So I'm gonna say the PNP illiterate boy. So me jump up on me and say, brother, we are talking to. Come out of the box. So me I say, man, go suck out your mother and go. You know me a woman. Let me block the boy off. He can't block me all in cares. As long as he not block me life, me good.
So it's a misunderstanding. Me know it's a misunderstanding, you know.
Look here, let me tell you something. You know when most of we do sometimes, we try to throw in dirty laundry on the front lawn and you know really look good.
You understand? But you know what hurt me? You want to hurt me? One general, he man go call me PNP. And that bun me.
Hey, worse
people do. A certain way I say certain things. People will think
that still in the guy, you know, not with the PNP, them in the black.
Worse thing you could have do.
Hold on, gentlemen. It is now silly season. It's officially silly season. It is now silly
Munchieb,
season.
mute.
It is now officially silly season. You have to be careful of the things you say. You see, it's not time to bring down nobody on our side now.
No, you know, he's not a disrespectful soldier. But
no,
the man go call me PNP. The man disrespect me when the man go call me PNP, man.
If you listen to me here, what you say already, you know. And what I am saying to you is, based on what you said, could lead him to think that or be defensive against that. Because you can't nobody on for his side. No, not this moment. It's silly season now. It's game on now. You have to defend the one you know. You have to go in the gutters, in the trenches, in the pits.
But one general, listen what I say. If me I tell the man say me go Jamaica one day, and when me go in at the bank, me have to pay the $5,000 to open the account. Me no wrong.
No, but
tell me say,
but at the same time you can't denounce why you must say a lie because watch out. It is true.
I never say a lie. I
have had the experience. I went to the JN Bank because I was making a bedroom set for a lady all the way in foreign. I had no other way to collect the money but other than through the bank. That is how she do business. So I had to open an account. Me never have a dollar to open the account. Me go to the bank and me spark to the brother and he said me go full out on paper one JP stamp it and sign it and write up it for me. And then give me one form to full out, say how much money me make, what kind of business me do, me buy material from, and the whole 9 yards. And I give him. And then just go in and tell me to give me Google account, blah, 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 boom, boom, and do a whole heap of fuck when I understand it before on the internet and see. And say, you're now online, you have your banking.
And so,
Jane Banker.
some banks have to their own incentive.
And me never give him $1. That happened the Wednesday and the Monday before me put money in there.
You know Plank?
Yeah.
Plank. Some banks have different offers for new customers. You know that, right? So might be that was your experience at one particular bank, but other bank have different things, you know.
Me no have a bank. Since lately, me own a bank account at Jamaica. I live at Jamaica.
You don't pay to open an account, Chuck.
When me go anywhere in the world, my bank me card work, you know. So me never need to open none at Jamaica. So lately, me open a bank account at Jamaica. You understand? So when me go there, me explain to him and say, that's the procedure I go through. I don't know if it's changed.
Read it, join your live, Rusty. Read it. Here, so we're calling names, so read it, join your live a while ago.
I'm reading him. My business reading.
Can you then, what could you call him? Can you then also?
I don't have a problem with that, because I have a problem with him.
Okay.
It's free to join the live, man.
You free to come up in that box, so?
Me a man tell a man this morning over J. Brian say, when name Howard come up at that one bag of thing about integrity commission and
biggest propaganda.
You have to too much talking and not drink no water, man.
But Petal, you know, say late last year, I don't know, but I did have a NCB, not a NC, a Scotia account already, and something did happen. We have 2 Scotia accounts, a fixed deposit and a not regular savings, and they lapsed, reset. And then they last year, we got walk back on account without money, and at the week, me never even know that the system changed, that you don't have to have the JP or nothing. No reference. You just go to the bank, give them your ID and whatever, and you just open back an account without no money. They ask you how much you're willing to put in the account per month. So after they give me the PIN number and everything and it activated, then we start large money in there. So me not know.
If you lapse, still large money in there for 3 months, then take for the account.
Okay.
Same thing. That's when the account you do, once it's active and moving, when the money in there, it take longer than 3 months, then fuck you up.
Maybe them change the system, because remember system change every month or every day, man.
And bank differ. That may tell the Plank say bank.
Understand? Bank different. Because they want the customer base.
Rusty, remember too, you know, when things did change for the bank, even the last budget from Nigel Clark and the Prime Minister, you don't have to have no reference and a referral and them something for open an account anymore, you know. You don't have to have all of that, just your regular ID and your TRN as usual. You open an account now. Nobody now feel and so forth.
All right, you see me I tell us it change because me have to get JP stamp the farm, JP have to stamp the farm and sign it and all sorts of something. So
when you go Plank, a country bank you go?
Linstead.
A country bank you go, man. You should go one town bank.
Me no live at town.
I'm a Christian, I go Manchester down there, so.
Me a country man. Me a town man, Petal. Me a country man. You lick me run go hide, you know.
Okay.
No, I have nothing to do with it.
Munchieb.
So you just work it out, man. You're a classic, like just work it, just a misunderstanding.
No, me a big man, you know. Me not have nothing against him, you know. Him just tell me to come off my program and him block me. I him block me, and I me block him.
Okay.
But me still watch him think them on YouTube. If you go over there, so block me too.
Classic probably have a bad day. Him that have a bad day probably.
Me still watch him think them on YouTube. I still like them.
Munchieb go talk to him.
Munchieb gonna do what?
Munchieb's gonna have a word.
Yeah, I see that good again, Plank, man. That's so come on. That's one of them day.
I one of them day. Listen to me. We are all family, you know. We are gonna have this we're all have argument.
I want to hear me the kick out of never come on in live, you know. DM me, never do nothing.
Yeah, DM me.
What do you want to DM me now? What am I talking?
DB.
Poor me.
Oh my goodness,
Chromas, come closer to the phone, Chromas.
Yeah?
Come closer to the phone.
Oh yeah, because we're gonna take the earphone.
Then Crummers how DB do. Oh
No,
my
man,
goodness.
Look at chat, look at the power one. I can find them. I'm going around Avenue, Street, and Lane too much, brother. And see how long.
Alright, somebody in our chat say MTV.
Rusty, Miss Chin want a box. Me a jump here.
Do it $500. $5,000.
Who said them a jump? I'm letting Miss Chin there.
Pata jump. Like Miss Chin for out.
Family, wanna think about Portland, because man say Portland I use the seat to beat, you know.
But they can't go to Portland go win no seat.
Shower labor rights.
That can't happen.
Shower.
And you come so you know one video that you make one big mistake in that video, man. I said,
you see your Chromas?
Which mistake you making a video, but any mistake I make, the video still I get traction where it forget. People know when I
the first buck we buck up Miss Chin, you know, me have to do it, me have to stitch on our video, you know.
Chromas, come close to the phone now, man. Come like I'll fling on your phone.
Yeah, man, business, man. I know some just come from over classic though. Yeah, man, come here and him plan for Sean Barnes or Sean Barnes or whatever I want him.
He bring on the girl where do the operation where him say Bruce Golden play for do. He bring on the girl there.
Not tonight, we never do that. Not that we know of. Tonight we deal with Sean Barnes well because the man tell a piece of lie to her, did never tell on about it. What a man wicked. Hey, PMP corrupt bad enough.
You know what I say? When Mrs. Sian Barnes will big up the Shay Brian. You know me? Rascal. What am I do? If you wonder to myself, so what really I do?
Hey man, wicked enough.
Man, bring down yourself, man.
Yeah, me say after Pernell Charles Jr. contact Jamaica Backside Institute and partner with them to get a road fixed in a film division. To him not do nothing in that division and he burn him to see Pernell and fix the motor road down there. You know say man go broad on Instagram go tell people say broadcast or thank you Jamaica Backside Institute and Ray attack like him get the road done, you know?
So if you carry the contract on show up on Instagram too?
He can't carry me say. Me just fix him business, man.
So fix it good,
and when we up on the live a while ago, me just all I labor right them from over and constituency come in. Everybody I get for them story about him. Everybody I get for them to
I did do a story upon him, I think last year, you know, when him did go down there when Pernell Charles Jr. fixed the road, go out to my block the road. You know?
When Pernell fixed the rear man's road.
Yeah, man.
And the man turning vehicle across we road.
I did do a piece upon him, man. And the police come.
Hey, man, we get that. Yeah, sure, the man terrible. That the man they fight all in one and sister for land, you know. The sister for come out from foreign, you know. Because, hey, a man a mayor for big Clarendon, you know. And Maple market big and dirty and smell bad more anything. A man not spend money upon nothing but himself, you know.
How will you say fix the patrol in front of your chin?
The great road yard Spencer. A road Spencer fix the patrol and gate.
You should have shame.
Me see a road dispenser to fix the patrol I man gate. And every road where Pernell fix in a man division. A Pernell fix every road. Me can name them all tell you. Pernell go fix all the clinic to rotted. Me I tell you.
I remember a video of the road where you came in thugs them.
They love me, man.
When you came thugs, when I stop a road where came thugs, them bad man friend,
Yes,
like police
man.
have to come there when the this is the video, man.
Yeah, man, police have to get through that, man. A whole heap of things in going with, man. A whole heap of things in going with, man. May I show you a man, a wicked brother. No, sir. He and bands are like turbulence. And Pantapa, they come out big and support big dirty batty, man. Like, seriously.
I don't know your place down this chin. I don't know your that continue.
I am a Jamaican. Listen to me. I come out foreign like everybody else. Come look and turn back. Me not live here. Me not want to live here. Me hate foreign more anything else. Plank, you know that. Me hate this place. All I do is come and go. Every year I come and I cuss and get miserable someone got me yard and then I go back. Me just want to know how Plank have that information.
What information?
He's my friend, Petal. Oh my gosh. Y'all so jealous. Oh, me just want to know all of the information. Plank, you know that already. Oh, me just want to know. Jesus.
Yeah, see, your munchieb need to come out of my life, you know.
I wonder, Munchie, she's so quiet. Munchie, darling.
Over the weekend, Munchie no come on the live and Chroma tell me say get a knockout shot.
I lie. From who? I was so bad.
Your husband.
I lie. Business.
Hey, husband, I take care of business.
No man can knock out my friend. We're bad people. Munchie, what am I talking about? Oh, Lou, what? Listen to Reedy where? If you come out for them people, listen to Nabi Reedy.
And 50 million US, Jamaican dollars and how much? Bobs are US and Bobs are pound and how much man this?
That are the house down a country there.
Down a St. Catherine. How we man ya?
What not about?
One man with them wall, me see it for
one man with them wall. Some of them are St. Catherine there with how much
50 million Jamaican dollars and
I lie.
Pay a bag of money so them a come out my house with it. And 4 motor vehicle and 1 gun.
Where's up? Say my phone in US.
Man Jamaican.
Pound in US and 50 million Jamaican dollars.
Alcott. From where there?
Busy.
No. Alcott, do I go with that, brother?
Rusty, them say them used to work at with Beryllium, you know. A Caribbean estate it happened. Them used to and them a Beryllium security him and him woman, no? And it look like they been scamming also.
The man of security, the man of security.
I remember big wigs up at have some post some, you know, some position at Beryllium.
Or if I go them in a watching.
Yeah, and his girlfriend or his wife or common law woman, she used to work there also.
Two of a kind.
Now Walmart, me there just take up some laundry thing, you know. Better than I want a laundry soap.
Well, yeah, I got to do the laundry, so you don't need to buy the soap, you mean?
What I mean? You do the laundry, of course, better.
How I go on some jealous now? How I go on some petal? How are you blank go on so?
Me will do the laundry because I know Chromas can't conduit.
I want to go to the labor right, man. You can't hear me. Look at me there.
It's alright, man. That's somebody at Jamaica, the one they are foreign. It's
Look at me
alright.
there. Look at me there. The pan shop of chromas and plug this.
Better. Yeah, go on with. But that good position, that's still, can't stay up on top still.
Which part are you today?
I go on with her.
A rotten mango. What? You look for a rotten mango video to watch. I'm not nothing with the pan top of alcohol.
Oh, plug, look at the pan top of you.
Last time rotten mango pissed me off.
You saw the pan top of you, Plank?
Oh.
Metal. Metal.
Oh.
I like your threesome.
Hold on.
I like your threesome, Metal.
Hold on, no man. Hold on, go plant up a one down. No, call me.
What's the one with the fit? Yeah, leader. What you mean we not for call you? You know say yeah, leader.
First you're up on the side, man. Up on the side there, a side dish. That's up on the side there. Up on the side, not the big box there, up on the side.
Damn ugly you up on the top and me up on the side. Beautiful me.
But how you position? You know the big box on the side there.
Chromas I go first. Hey, the last
Metal threesome is a good look.
The last time rotten mango. The last time rotten mango pissed me off. You know, me tell rotten mango say me go all a charge and a block off of social media for her because guess what? Me, I gonna make sure say her pick me know somebody will work with her son on the ship. And me know somebody will know her daughter, because her daughter got Edna Manley. And me tell her say me, I gonna make them see the nasty mother what they have. Yeah.
Them people like who name rotten mango?
You new to social media?
No.
Little bit of blood.
You don't know what the one they pass me?
That's our original name.
Oh.
Little bit of blood.
Who the fuck? Who the little bit of
Right mango, man. We call a rotten mango, man. Right mango.
Oh. Lord Jesus.
I tell her a little bit of blood her original name.
Me know Mr. Our mango original name.
Rotten mango, man. Rotten mango that.
Who you want to go first?
No worry about that. So we're gonna be spontaneous.
Anyway, chuck it at the back. Chuck and say.
Come, make them go first. Anybody where you know come quick, make them go first.
Mm-hmm.
All right, Chuck.
Chuck for a long time, man.
Well, like, he just coming at your back. Like, he might do something. I don't know what I hear.
When you say Miss Chin, who come first? I go make.
No, me say anybody come first. Anybody where easy if you come, make them go first.
Send chromas. Because I never go a war like I not carry bulletproof vest, you know.
Yeah.
Chromas have white liver, you know. Chromas are coolie.
Yeah, first me I go, man. First what I go watch what really did, you know. First, you know the what left business.
No, business where you want to say, I would laga.
What left you gonna get, brother?
Me no business where you want to say.
Oi, master. You know, make the sense of time long if you're boring, you know.
You know, boring, I'm mad. Then look, man, Petal could have boring. Petal could have
Alcat, where you say, boss?
No, me I tell them to be a 50 meter dash.
Hey, boy.
50 meter dash.
Yeah, man.
Fast.
Me glad me not the near plank, me not the near chromas, you know, me they way up on top of Alcat.
A big body Alcat, what you call him, so you stay there.
I'll cut a long distance to line on Miss Chin.
That no I hear. That sound good.
Right over reach all our body, but wait.
I have to make sure me a conference, you know.
I will conference. Yes, say. Anybody pan this don't come a conference, don't talk back to me.
Plank now go.
I will have conference the 24th and go.
Better you have to find that out. I
want to find out if them have quick shot now envelope like we see the PNP them that over there. Come on, I go envelope, you know.
We not to do that.
All you do when you go there, just control one of the collection plate. Every time they drops in there, you push in our back pocket.
Then do that. We never see them do collection of we party yet. No,
No,
sir.
labor right now do collection plate.
We don't need that.
We're givers, we're not takers.
All the while me I go a conference and I be aboard myself for me one 10 grand and 15 grand I go. No, I want to envelope this year.
Conference
Ratty, Dr. Ratty at 10 grand.
Conference are nice, you know.
Conference are nice because we can't make people enough up enough for them conference and we don't know for free.
No one
Rusty,
conference.
conference
Me like the gospel segment. Me no one.
Hey, I do it simply school me a roll with you know cause my virgin Bobby me a roll with you know Bobby. My virgin Bobby. Anytime conference time in my day, you know, the America they know the Queens. But I do it Sibley's constituency come from down so you know. You know, pass me go a conference, alright, that's how I come pick up me.
Nice.
Alright, Rusty, a long time I ain't on a live though.
Oh.
You see him, Virginia, you talk about it. The elder, the big man there, a long time I ain't on a live.
Yeah, waiting to do with Bobby now. He's not a regular live man, you know. He's a man who watch and listen, but for him work what him do. Him can't really indulge too much. But when he get a little free time, you see him today, you know, but him glimpse him in just pass too.
You know what nice, that conference, you know what nice.
We're not link up a conference, that's what I say.
You know what nice? When you got
a
conference early and you see everybody are rolling, and that's a nicest part, you know.
When that's why more knows if we not link up a conference, that more know.
After election, the day after election.
I don't know though. You see how Peony have light in their head? Put one light in their head. That's not easy to find. I like how stranger have light in them buying wall. Put one light against no buying, make we see and see, no know so I know that.
We're gonna have one sign say good old crew.
So you go and petal.
That is something to talk about. Good old.
You say,
hey boy, you ever smell like
Total need something in the night that look like because she in another food tonight.
And then now and me and Chromas can drive to the bar, you know, in the bar, and which part in the call.
I got change the topic.
Alcott, the close.
Hold on there. Petal.
No.
I got change the topic little and go on the Oversight Committee Integrity Commission yesterday.
Okay.
You know see Julian Robinson I dig out of the Integrity Commission if when them write someone, when them under investigation to illicit enrichment. Enrichment. If them notify them. The man them say no, cause Andrew go kill them in a court. I'm sorry for them.
No,
the man said no. The man said them investigate you. When it reach a point where them have enough evidence, then call you in. Call you in. Them talk to you because
yeah, well, I got man, catch. Yeah.
Yo, the man, them. You see, after the man them say that, the man them don't talk in the interview. The man them don't say a next word. All them come back.
Alcott, stick a pin. I wonder if Emma asks question because say him want to know what they ask when they have you under investigation. When they have you under investigation, because he seems very interested. Repeatedly.
Yeah, one of them come chat off him out too. That's why I do that.
Hear me? In any Democrats, a different Jamaica, the man then here Seymour Panton. Him should have come see a empty decks this morning. A empty decks with one water, with one flowers, pan index.
Water.
And him think them pack up one side and head to the exit. Him and Greg Christie.
You see Panton. You know, so me just see Panton for one picture like a while with Porsche in a one bus.
In a one bus with him and some more.
You know me pick up in the Integrity Commission yesterday. You know, so we there I blame the brother when he and Kevin Stevens it look like say them tell him to put where him to put in the report.
Don't he look what bit worried, Alcott?
Yeah, but
He
if you
look to
notice,
me like he look like Kern. Him not cry, but him remind me of Kern Spencer.
Fall guy, the fall guy. Look all
something,
when they ask him the question about the finality of the report, at what point the reports get tabled, if they
yes,
table
but
interim report, and you hear him not even try to face him, just answer
that is the
direct
next thing,
and send.
That is the next thing, because there is a lot of positive the Prime Minister can take out of that oversight committee,
Mhm.
you see, because there is a next thing. Them say them don't say interim report at the Parliament, every report is final. So how you send a final report to the Parliament, then you refer the report to go to tax administration and FID.
Cause him boss tell him so that
And
him fi do.
when the
Me hear
report
some
come
people
to the
attack us.
Parliament, it's supposed to be the final report.
Me hear some people attack us say them lose half a my good MP Pernell and them lose half a Chuck. Dirty Caution, I believe I call them Chuck and cheese.
I want
But
to tell you, say, you see
anyways,
Pernell,
according to the people them,
you see
my MP a
Pernell,
general man.
Them are
I
idiot.
proud of Pernell. I am
My
a,
proud of my
I'm
MP more
I
anything
see, when I seen a Pernell yesterday, I see a future leader. When I seen a Pernell yesterday,
Yeah, man, him
I
go
see
on
a
good, man. I don't
future
know what you
leader.
like, but him go on good, man. Trust me.
Marlene go on good too.
Let me
Yeah,
tell
man,
you
like
what
Malin,
people
yeah,
them be
man.
expecting today.
But you
Let me
know,
tell you what
say,
the people them be expect and them
The
not understand.
the
So
poor was to
I
go there
think
and ask relevant
they're
questions.
so stupid. They're so
Expose them.
stupid that them feel like the Pernell did supposed to go there, and when him realized that the Integrity Commission guilty of something, him did supposed to say, "Well, we're going to prison you," or "Well, this is the final." No, I not saw it go. That was not the objective. The aim of the whole thing was to hear what they had to
you
say.
know what upset me? You know what
Prosecution
upset
time
me?
is coming shortly.
Me no sleep last night, and you know what upset me? When the man is them is a body of the Parliament. The man said to the Parliament, and the man a tell the chairman say,
Him not
I
answer
him
to them.
I him no answer. You chairman is no the man was so disrespectful that me,
Me I gotta tell you, Alcat, you know what upset me? Me I gotta tell you what upset me, and whole heap of people might not notice this. But me a woman, when the woman, when what's your name?
Dr. Sapphire
Our
Long.
side. Our side. She that talk as well as Pernell
Oh,
man.
Marlene,
Man, man,
Marlene,
our foot.
yes.
Auntie Marlene.
When she talk, she specifically said when she just have a start, come and listen to the whole thing. She said she has 3 to 5 questions to ask. When the woman asked the third question, you're the drunkard them. Another
But we want
question.
three question. Yeah,
I
I
thought
can
you
go
said
three
three
question. I don't want a five
questions.
question. A
And
true man.
when the woman say, like she tried to explain, and I say, like she say, I thought that's what I said, or something like that. You know, you're the drunkard them, I laugh, and I say, you thought? Me I say, who them batty man ya? Who them? Me I say, who them? Are they literally laughing at the woman?
No, but I know that, just
Jeer
the
them, a jeer the
school.
woman in a big parliament?
The man, me no know if a them pay the Parliament, taxpayer, them not forget a next dollar. Them not forget a next dollar.
You know, yeah, when Malawi say them need to write over about the Integrity Commission thing, and yeah, look up here, Pantan, the next 20 years.
Exactly.
I fully
I'm
take the
nasty,
people them for
I'm
The
nasty Mark Bowling
disrespect.
craft that,
the next
I
20
walk
Long.
away
years.
yesterday
You
from
know,
there.
when pick up on to the one part when I come chat more. The commission enough to do come on a parliament and come like they want to come
And
question. Yo,
distract him, distract the man from answer the question, because I know the man can't answer it. So him come
Look
I
give
come
you
here,
the
chat
let me
more.
tell you
instruction.
something, man.
The
Before I
IC
figure
man,
out a
IC the
little
commission
thing.
enough to come on a
No.
parliament for
When you
people that
notice
question
something,
them.
yesterday,
And
Coleman,
follow
when you notice,
parliament. Parliament at the highest court. Let them know that.
Coleman,
Wait until my girl starts sing like the canary. Wait until when she
Coleman,
see the
when
only
you
by
notice
years
something
them go
yesterday,
by.
when the labor right, when the government MP them ask the integrity commission them any question, they was so boisterous and answer them question. And when the PNP asked them, they was so calm. More
Yeah.
never watch it, but it's
Difference.
3 hour
Yeah, but we don't
long.
know my body language. You see it, man. We don't know them a
3
PNP, all
hour
them a
long.
PNP, man. Politics tonight, man. And
Them
then
politics that
look
must be
idiot
nice.
man Pantana
You
come
hear what the
chat
man
about.
say?
We don't
You hear
politicize
what the
but the
man
board
say?
and the politics.
You hear what
You
the man
lion
say?
self.
You hear what the man say with the brother when them asked him about the brother where was advisor to Peter Phillips? The man say I got 3 former governor general that was in political party and don't then come and serve like the man I say, yo, no not ask me nothing that justify
Mm-mm.
wanna ask me.
Look
But
here. Look
people
here.
can't Colonel did for them
Pantan.
know the Colonel do what I'm supposed to do. A court date we are wait for now.
First of all, because remember, you know, guys, remember, say, the Prime Minister have him affidavit done up and him have all them points them, right? And the thing about it is this. What the guy answered yesterday about the tabling of the reports. Because you remember, say, Shireen Golden had already come and attack and I say once the report is sent to Parliament for tabling, it is final. I remember said Dean Jackson and Clyde I tell her I run her down I say about no, it's and they gather it's an interim report. And when he was asked yesterday if interim reports are sent to Parliament, he basically said no. Once
No,
they go to Parliament for tabling, they
it's
are final.
final.
So
It's
that just
final.
invalidate everything what happened about the FI referral to the FID now, you know.
Of course.
But but
Them only
this
give Brogad more they only give Brogad more
Yeah.
ammunition.
And me no and
but
let me tell you, before me did angry at Kevin Stevens. But you see if him just got in whenever them have this court here, and if him just go and him just go and speak the truth, we will see everything in come unfold.
You
but
hear what the
better.
man say?
Hmm?
Yeah,
You
go on,
realize
plug.
that then go behind the Prime Minister back and call in a foreign investigator without him even knowing. That's a
All that
breach, you know.
security,
Because
security,
because the
security.
FID could not do it, and them I said the FID like they want to say the Prime Minister and the police locked down the FID.
Mm-hmm.
That's
No,
what them
but
I
me
try to
glad
say.
no plank. We know me glad. Me glad and go for somebody from overseas when I know the Prime Minister
Mm-hmm.
or
Mm-hmm.
in the government. I'm glad is an
Listen,
independent person then go for
listen.
overseas. That
The
is a
whole
plus.
point of the investigation, was to bring down the Prime Minister,
Mm-hmm.
Not to prove anything, Because there's nothing to be proven. But we hear what them did want to happen. Them did want the FID now to start investigate the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister could not be in office while that is happening.
Mm-hmm.
Right, so them did want the Prime Minister out of office while that investigation is going
Step,
on.
step down,
Then
Technically,
yeah.
that is an overthrow, That is a
then
technical, bloodless
I
coup.
think like
and a Bruce Gold and them a deal with them.
mm-hmm.
And a Bruce Gold and them a deal with that same class them drop and Bruce Golden.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
That's why Bruce Golden have to resign.
That's
Cause
why
them a say,
But remember, Clark, remember,
hungry.
Mark Golden said it, said they wouldn't try to move the no confidence vote against the prime minister, So therefore, and Morgan, Nestor Morgan, when they carried the motion to Parliament. So Mark said it outside because if they had a no confidence vote against the prime minister, therefore the prime minister would have to come out and the governor general would be forced to call an election. You know,
yeah, that's what
understand?
they wanted.
And
Right.
That's what they wanted.
why you think they want a no confidence vote against the Prime Minister. They said the Integrity Commission write the Prime Minister and tell the Prime Minister that he are investigated for illicit enrichment when not no go so then clear up everything yesterday. They clear up every single thing yesterday about that. So the PNP now no solid ground for stand on. Someone know where them are gonna come with now.
No, but
Which
them
lie
want
them are gonna dig up and come with
them
now.
are gonna dig up lie and come because them want what them say now over the fish pot. What them say after next week Thursday when them come back to Parliament, the Prime Minister have to resign. The Prime Minister have to resign. And that them are saying. Yeah,
I
I'll
will
call.
Look
exactly.
here.
make it.
Planka over a fish pot, them can't say anything. Because the other day when the Prime Minister went away, them say them never go come back. And them hold on pan him a foreign for money laundering of US dollars. The fish pot them did over there and them live. Say couldn't go, nor come.
You listen
So
to the
them
man
can't say
speech.
anything.
You listen to the man speech today?
No, I
You listen
didn't.
to
I didn't.
it in my bio chin. Go in and go watch it.
When did they today?
Sanders.
Oh, Sanders. Oh, that's why I see
A
bust
man say,
out.
a man say
That's what,
Jamaica full of S man. A man say Jamaica full of S man. Full of S.
What name,
Last,
sir?
no sex.
Alright.
You know that listen to?
No, I didn't.
Okay. Better than
I'm
see Chroma's run gone left you. You're salty.
I can't deal with y'all. They like how Chroma's gone left for you know take over.
Me alone can't manage so much woman.
Munchie leave Rusty for your life. I got start now.
Munchie, gonna start our live now.
Maybe at
Well,
10 o'clock she normally come on.
I'm gonna take with her and I late night
you can
business.
come here.
You know, say Munchie have to talk 2 hours before he put up nobody in her box.
Yeah, but we
And
can't go support her and listen what she has to still because she always have some.
I love when
Alright,
she
see me
burn her
come for
fire,
you,
man.
gang on